Hello, everybody. As we're all making all this new stuff and hyperdocs and weekly schedules and letters to parents and Google Sites, I've been getting a lot of similar issues that students and our teachers have been having with students and parents where they can't open it, or the parent or the student is having to request permission. So I'm just going to go through really quickly, just like quick how you could do that. So let's just imagine that these three things are things that we want our parents or our students or somebody to look at, and I'll show you how you can do that. So right here, we'll just say that this is a Google Doc. So we can right click on it and hit share. And then because when we're making a hyperdoc or we're sending a link out to parents, we're focused on this bottom part about the get link part. So we want to change that to whatever we want. So it usually starts as restricted. If you want your students or another teacher to be able to see it, you want to click Community Unit District 205. If you want it to go out there where anybody in the world could see it and look at it, like parents, then you want to click anyone with the link. So once you've got all that done, you would copy this link, and that's what you're putting in your links in your hyperdoc or whatever. That's the link you want. And you hit done. You can also do that from inside. So if I open this, if I'm in a doc, I would have the access to those same sharing settings right here. It opens the exact same thing. All right. If I want to do a Google site, it's a little bit different. So maybe you made a cool website for your class that you want parents to be able to access to. You hit this person with a plus, the little share guy. And right down here we go to links. We want to change this. So if you want parents to be able to see it, then we need to make it a public website. And then the draft part is like while you're working on it, like what I'm viewing right here. This is not on published website at this point. If you're sharing this website with another teacher and you're both working on it together, then you want this to be Community Unit District 205. I cannot think of a reason why we would want this to have to be anyone with a link. So it just depends. If you're working by yourself, restricted is fine. If you're co-making this with another teacher, you want to do that so you can both work on it. Make sure you click done because that's what saves those permission changes. Then when you publish it, you get the link right here. Same with a slideshow. I can right click on it right here and change my sharing.
I don't think at this moment, I
All
don't
right,
know
so I can change this.
but so you can show your people.
Change to what I want.
It's gonna,
Maybe I want the parents to see it. Maybe it's just for my students or my coworkers. I click done. I can also do it from inside the slideshow, or I click share, and then I would change it just the same. So all of those are ways that you can get it to so your parents can see it or your students can see it or no one can see it. So if you're running into issues where people are emailing you and they say, I can't open it, or where students are emailing you and they say, I need permission, they're requesting access and all that stuff, it's going to be in here. That's where you're going to be able to fix that. Hopefully, 9 times out of 10. So I hope that's helpful for you guys.